Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Baby duck wakes up early by the pond so clear. Fluffy little feathers shining as the morning draws near. He shakes his tiny wings and waddles to the shore, quacking happily, ready for adventures to explore. Baby duck, quack, 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 splash and play today. Waddle through the water, let the sunshine lead the way. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, join the pond parade. Every little ripple sings along with baby duck charade. Mama duck swims gently, guiding little feet, teaching baby duck how to paddle in the beat. Frogs and dragonflies join in the morning fun, chirping, leaping, fluttering beneath the rising sun. Baby duck, quack, 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 splash and play today. Waddle through the water, let the sunshine lead the way. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, join the pond parade. Every little ripple sings along with baby duck charade. Through lily pads and reeds, baby duck glides along. Every little splash becomes a happy, joyful song. Even when the breeze is soft or clouds drift in the sky, baby duck keeps quacking with a sparkle in his eye. As evening falls, the pond turns golden in the light. Baby duck snuggles close, ready for the night. Mama duck and siblings cuddle, dreaming in the bay, planning more adventures for another playful day. Baby duck, quack, 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 splash and play today. Waddle through the water, let the sunshine lead the way. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, join the pond parade. Every little ripple sings along with baby duck's charade. Morning comes again, and baby duck will rise, quacking and splashing under the brightening skies. Every day is brighter, every pond a happy track, with baby duck leading fun. Quack, 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 quack.